Today's quick tip is going to be on stippling, which is this effect down in here. And I'm going to show you how to do that. I spent hours getting the back, the background smooth for things at work, but sometimes this will help bring out whatever your carving is, and I think the snowflake is a good example. It'll look like maybe it can be snow in the background or something, but I just took a nail and took a little file and kind of just doled the edge and got it to how I wanted it. The more you file around on it and stuff to get an effect like you want, maybe you want it more round, maybe you want it more pointed. Just depends. You just have to try it in your wood. But I'll show you a little bit of how to do this. I'm going to zoom in a little bit. There we go. And I'm just kind of turn it as you go, and you don't want your little dents to be too uniform. Random is better, and it'll kind of jump around as you're banging on it with your little mallet. That's what you want. Just like everything I do, this is very time consuming, but it's kind of fun too, because you can see the results right away. Little break from your carving, take and stipple a little while or whatever. You certainly don't have to do this. When you smooth the background, it looks fantastic, but this will bring out your carving a lot. You can kind of see where we're going with that. Hopefully, that shows up pretty good. Just an ordinary nail. I have some bolts at work that I've kind of rounded off, different rounds and points and stuff, and it's really just the effect you want to achieve, on your background. But I think it brings out your carving a lot on something like this. Just makes it a little more interesting sometimes. So that'll be our quick tip for the day anyway.